Hey there, folks! Today, I'm super excited to share with you a fantastic method to transform any video into an anime masterpiece, and the best part, it's all for free! Let's jump right in. First things first, let's launch your Chrome browser. Next, type ALAB Wondershare into the search bar and hit enter. Now, click on the first link that appears to visit the AI Lab by Wondershare. Click Explore. Now, locate and click on Find under the AI Lab section. Log in with your account credentials to access the full range of features. Next, choose the video option from the menu. Then, select Video Cartoonizer from the list of available tools. Click on Local File to upload the video you want to transform into anime. Now, let's give the AI a moment to work its magic. It's analyzing your video and transforming it into a captivating anime. Check a result. Once the process is finished, simply click on the download icon to save your newly transformed anime video to your device. And there you have it! You've successfully converted your video into an anime masterpiece using the power of AI. And it didn't cost you a penny. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and happy anime creating!